Hi, it's Kay Ross here, and as you can see, today's video is all about serious fun. And that might seem a little bit backwards because what is serious fun? And the reason I chose that title is because fun is a serious business. Because if you're not having fun, or you don't know how to have fun, or you've forgotten how to have fun, that can have an impact on your health and well-being. You can also probably notice this is part one, and that's because I will be doing a couple of more videos over the next few weeks on serious fun. So if you don't want to miss out and you're all ready to find out more about serious fun and you want to have fun, then make sure you subscribe so that you're notified of when the next videos are ready. So let's look at serious fun. So I want to start with a question. The question I want you to think about and to answer for yourself, and I'd love it if you also made a comment below about your answer to this question, is when was the last time you had fun? So, when was the last time you had fun? Now, if somebody asked me that question, I'd say, well, yesterday morning I went for a walk along the beach. I had a lot of fun and that set me up for the day. So what about you? When was the last time you had fun? Can you remember the last time you had fun? Is that something you'd notice that you haven't been having much fun lately? So a lot of you are going to have different answers and different reactions to that question. And it is a really important question that I want you to think about. So are you happy with the answer to that question? Do you like your answer? So when you think about when was the last time you had fun, are you having fun? Can you remember that? Now, if the answer is no, that you can't remember the last time you had fun, or that it was a long time ago, or you wished you had more fun in your life, or you'd like to have more fun, or you forget how to have fun, then I've got some really great news for you in a couple of moments. So what I wanted to just point out today is that there's a lot of research that shows that having fun is an essential part of maintaining your well-being. So it's not just a matter of thinking, oh, I need to have fun, or I wish I had more fun. Those people who have fun on a regular basis are healthier than those people who don't. Now, that's a big statement, I know, but it's something that I am passionate about letting you know, about realizing that having fun is a serious business. As A.D. Posey said, the more you focus on fun, the more fun you have. Now, what that's saying is the more fun you have in your life, the more fun you'll have. It's actually like it builds up. And the more that you have fun, the more that you make sure that you have fun, because you don't want to miss out on the feeling that fun gives you, and the fact that having fun makes you feel better about yourself, makes you feel better about your life, and also gives you more energy, you sleep better, and you wake up energized. So let's take the time to have fun. So what I've done is I've put together a brand new workshop. It's online, it's absolutely free, and it's called Have Fun in 2023. So if you're watching this video before the 23rd of January, I'd love it if you booked in, grabbed your seat. It's on at 11 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And I know time zones over the world are all different, so if it's a time that you can't join us, still register, because everybody who registers will get the replay. So grab your seat at https://kayrosbiz.com/fun, and you'll have the booking there that you can just put in your name and your email address, and you'll will receive a confirmation that you're booked into the workshop. So as I said, my name's Kay Ross. If you want to contact me, there's my web address, kayrosbiz.com/hub. My blog, just put posts on the end of that /posts. My YouTube, b.link/K's YouTube. And Facebook, facebook.com/KRossBiz. And if you'd like to book a session with me, then there's my booking calendar as well. So don't forget my Fun in 2023 workshop, absolutely free. I'd love it if you could join us. krossbiz.com/fun, and let me see you there. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube. If you're not watching on YouTube, come on over. And if you've got any questions or comments, I'd love to hear about them. But let's look at fun. The serious side of fun is have more fun in your life. So I'll see you soon. Goodbye.